there's Dustin Robbins on the screen.
Yeah, he had a Thingz UTV. Yeah. Did you swing by and check on him? Yeah. He actually helped us out. He let us use a couple of his parts and tools.
Just when you're about to really reach the thing that you've been praying for years, and you're reaching out for it, and just when you're about to touch it, expect all hell to break loose in your life. In fact, it's a sign that you're coming into your season when you see the terror begin to come against your life. Look at somebody and say, this is my season. See, when you say that, you're saying good things are coming up and bad things are coming up, and it's all coming up at the same time. This must be my season. If I wasn't about to go into great harvest, the enemy wouldn't be attacking me like he's attacking me right now. This must be my season.
He may just have been bumped into third spot, I'm going to guess.
Oh.
Nope.
Yeah. He did.
Definitely. You came from the back up here on the podium. It was awesome. Who do you have to thank for getting you up here?
Allthingzutv, that's it.